Iniimbestigahan daw ng DILG hindi lamang ang mga top enforcers ng Tokhang noong panahon ni Digongyo, kundi pati na rin ang mga rank and file Tokhang cops. Ayon kay DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla, mahigit 400 pulis ang direktang sangkot sa madugong war on drugs at Tokhang policy ni Digongyo na nagdulot ng libu-libong pagpatay ng walang due process.
Are you doing investigation on not just those who headed the Tokhang program, but also the policemen who are involved?
Yes, we have already accounted for 5,000 confirmed that were done by the PNP,
That were killed. Alright.
by the PNP. Their death certificate stated that they died of cardiac arrest, pero they had a bullet hole in their head.
Those are confirmed.
Those are confirmed.
Bullet holes, but the death
5,000.
certificate said
There are 400 cases of deaths where only one gun was used.
Oh, you can trace, no?
You can trace. You can trace it. Diba? You can trace the ballistics. So it's gotten to that level. We know who from the top level down to the bottom. We know who they are already.
Kinumpirma ni Remulla ang matagal ng hinala ng publiko na ginamit at inabuso ng mga Tokhang cops ang sistema at sinamantala ang unconstitutional drug war policies ni Digongyo. Ang tanong ngayon, bahagi ba ito ng evidence gathering laban sa umaandar ng kaso ni Digongyo at ng mga umano'y co-conspirators niya sa ICC?
how many police personnel were involved in the Tokhang program so far as you have investigated?
5,000?
No, maybe 400 at most. 400 at most. What happened was that the policemen gained the system. When the money came from PCSO through Garma and Leonardo passed on to the PNP, they would have a success rate. So every single kill they would do. So what happened was they would get the drugs, store it, tapos kakalad ka rin yung mga pedicab, kakalad ka rin yung mga yung vendor lang. Kukunin doon, papatayin, maglalagay ng drugs. Ano na to? Accomplishment na to.